Hey YouTube, I backed my truck in and try not to tip this drink over. This is some new Ultra Paradise. No sugar, but it tastes like green apple, but it says it's from an island, so I don't know. Who knows anymore? So what I'm building is a hinged little 2-foot tall barrier that's going to go under my wife's desk, and the 3-foot end over there is going to protect her desktop computer that's on the floor. And then this piece wasn't quite long enough. It was supposed to be 60 inches, but I just bought small scraps. So I'm going to add the fall off, works out to be 60. And then this piece goes along the wall, and it'll keep the cords and everything away from the puppies, because this is a puppy project. We have 2 lab mastiffs, Maple and Sugar. I will get pictures. But anyway, so yeah, not everything is on the computer. Sometimes the fun stuff is when you get to actually build it. You know what I need though? I need to look into getting the metric version of this, because it's black and it could sit over here. That'd be kind of cool. I'll have to put that on my list. But anyways, yep, I got some hinges. I'm gonna put some more hinges on and then take this in there and make it work. I had a drawing, but I lost it. It was hand drawn, and doesn't really matter, does it? Yeah, well, I was gonna try and show you actual slow motion of the drill, but never mind. So this is a self-centering bit. It's got some technical name. There was a woman on YouTube who was building something, and she actually gave it the right name, but I don't remember what she said. Anyways, what's nice is there's a drill bit inside here. I don't know if you can see it, but the outer part centers in the hole, and then the little drill bit comes down and makes a pilot hole. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Yeah, that's nice. That way your screws go in square. They don't go in crooked, and then they don't sit flush. But with this tool, and the only downside is sometimes the metal sleeve gets stuck retracted, so you have to pull it out. Minor. There it is in its folded configuration. 36 inches, and then underneath 48, and then the fall off from 36 is 12 minus cuts. And then I took 1.5 inches off the bottom of the short one, because it has to go over part of the desk support. It's like the leg, the foot of the leg of the desk. All right, way to go, Milwaukee. Fully cordless. There's the finished product. Keeps the dogs away from the computers on the standing desk. Looks like it'll work.